Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel, and today I have a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and it has the 2.5 liter engine, and today we are just going to be doing an oil change service. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the oil cap and the dipstick. Okay, so now we are underneath the vehicle on the passenger side. It's a 14 millimeter for the drain plug. So as the oil is draining, you probably want to change the drain gasket. There's the incorrect drain gasket on this one. It's usually a copper style drain gasket on these Nissan vehicles. So you probably want to replace these. You can see some yellow paint here. Most likely came from a lube shop. So we're going to get a new gasket as the oil is draining, and then go from there. So now the oil is all done draining. So now I have the new drain gasket here. Now this is supposed to go in freely by hand, but it seems like that some technicians or mechanics, they over tighten the drain plug so it doesn't go in very easy. So I have to really turn it in by hand, and I'm going to tighten it up now. I will put the torque specifications on the screen. So now we have the oil filter to remove. Next, oil filter is hiding here on the passenger side. It's hiding behind the plastic cover here. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that on camera. Grab myself a ratchet and the oil filter removal tool. Pull back on the cover and then turn this counterclockwise. I'm going to have to remove the camera out of the way. I'm loosening up the oil filter. Make sure that the old gasket is still on the old oil filter. Otherwise, it could be stuck onto the engine. You want to make sure you remove that before you install the new one. I know I'm not able to show you guys here, so you probably want to do a quick wipe on the surface of the oil filter housing before you install the new oil filter. So now I have the new oil filter. Lubricate the O-ring or the gasket with new engine oil, and then you just need to install it onto the vehicle. So once you install the new oil filter, you just need to tighten it up, hand tight. You don't need to crank it up too much, but until it's relatively okay and it's snug. Once you're done, you can wipe everything down and wash everything down with brake cleaner. So we're done here. We're just gonna wash the drain plug area, wash all the oil off. So now we're going to add oil. I have about 4.5 or so here. This engine takes either 0.20 or 5.30, depending on what you want to use. But it says that 0.20 is the preferred oil to use on this vehicle, because for fuel economy and better flow in colder weather and easier for cold starts. So the customer requested 0.20, so that's what I'm putting in. You could use 5.30, there shouldn't be any issues. These engines are pretty much the same engines as they use in the previous generation Nissan Rogue, so you should be okay to use 5.30 as well. So I wipe down the dipstick. I'm going to temporarily to reinstall it. We're going to clean the oil filler cap because it's dirty, and we're going to reinstall it. You can do a quick wipe on the cap, and you also want to do a quick wipe on the on the filler hole too, and reinstall the cap. We are just going to have a look at the oil level. I know that these vehicles, they take a bit more than 5 liters actually. Even the capacity states 4.6 liters, but they typically take about like 5.25 liters or so. So it really depends. So you will need to check the oil level and see if you need to top it up. So now I shut the engine off. We're just gonna have a quick look at the oil level. Oil level is still low here. I don't know as to why they say 4.6 liters is down here. It should be up to here on the full mark. So we are going to top it up. I'm going to top up the oil. Roughly 750 milliliters. It may need a little bit more than that. Probably need from 4.5 liters. You probably need a 1 liter extra, more. Still up to here. So now I topped up the oil about a liter extra or so until I'm at the full mark. So now it's at the full mark over here, and where the upper dot is. So once you're done, just wash everything down here. Then you should be all good to go. So we're just going to turn the ignition to on and reset the maintenance reminder. So we're going down to maintenance, enter, oil and filter, down and reset, press enter, or yes, and then go back. You can do the tire as well if you want, other, and that's it. You should be all good to go. I just had a look at the oil sticker. It says oil changers, so I was right. It's been overdue about 2,000 kilometers almost. So that's not good. I didn't even have a look at the oil sticker, and I already know it's from an oil change place, because it's pretty obvious. Oil change places are typically they mark the drain plug with some pen or something, and they usually don't use the proper drain gaskets. So there was very slight oil seepage when the gasket was changed. I don't know if you guys saw that on camera. I don't typically recommend going to oil change shops for a variety of reasons, but I'm not going to discuss about that in this video today. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.